Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about email sending in PHP. When working with PHP, you can send emails using the mail function. This function necessitates at least three parameters: the recipient's email address, the email subject, and the message body. For further customization, you can incorporate additional parameters like headers. For instance, if you wanted to send an email to a user confirming their registration on a website, you would specify the user's email address as the recipient. The subject could be registration confirmation, and the message body would contain the pertinent information, such as a welcome message or further instructions. The PHP code snippet demonstrates how to send an email using the mail function. The function requires three parameters: the recipient's email address, 2, the email subject, and the email message content, message. In the given example, an email is being sent to recipient@example.com with the subject hello and the message, "This is a test email." To send an email using PHP's mail function, 1. Define the recipient's email address, email subject, and message content. 2. Call the mail function with the recipient's email address, subject, and message as arguments. 3. Ensure that your PHP configuration allows for sending emails and that the mail server is properly configured to send emails. For example, in a contact form on a website, you can use this code to send an email to the website owner when a user submits a message. When sending emails, headers can provide additional information like extra recipients, reply to address, and content type. These headers are included as an associative array, serving as the fourth parameter in the mail function. For example, to specify a reply to address, you can use the header reply to at example.com. This kind of customization enables users to tailor their emails to better suit specific communication needs or requirements. The provided PHP script demonstrates how to send an email using the mail function. First, you define the recipient's email address, subject, and message content. Then, you set the email headers, including the sender's email address, reply to address, and additional information like the mailer being used. Finally, the mail function is called with the recipient's email address, subject, message, and headers as parameters to send the email. For example, in a contact form on a website, this script could be used to send an email notification to the website owner when a user submits a message. Do note that using the mail function directly in production may not be recommended due to security concerns and limitations. It is advisable to use third-party libraries like PHP Mailer or services like SendGrid for better email functionality and security. Sending an email in PHP is like writing a letter and dropping it in a mailbox. The PHP code acts as the letter, containing the message and recipient information. The email server acts as the mailbox, where the message is picked up and delivered to the recipient's inbox. Just like how you wouldn't expect a response from the recipient immediately after dropping the letter in the mailbox, sending an email in PHP may not always result in an instant delivery confirmation. The process of sending an email in PHP involves composing the message, providing the necessary recipient information, and utilizing the appropriate email functions to initiate the delivery. Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The PHP code snippet provided demonstrates the process of sending an email using PHP's built-in mail function. Firstly, the message content is composed by specifying the recipient email address, 2, the subject of the email, subject, and the body of the email message, message. This step is similar to creating a letter in real-life correspondence. Secondly, the sender's information is provided by setting the email header, headers. This includes specifying the sender's email address. Finally, the mail function is invoked with the recipient's email address, subject, message, and headers as parameters. This function attempts to send the email by dropping it in the mail server's outgoing queue, analogous to putting a letter in a mailbox for delivery. Upon successful email transmission, the code snippet informs the user that the email has been sent to the specified recipient. On the other hand, if there is an issue with sending the email, an appropriate error message is displayed. It is essential to note that the delivery of emails via the mail function may not be instantaneous, and factors such as server configurations and spam filters can affect the successful delivery of emails. Real-world applications of this code include sending transactional emails, newsletters, account verification emails, and notifications from web applications or services. One industrial application of email sending in PHP is in the e-commerce sector. When a customer places an order on an online store, a confirmation email is sent using PHP to the customer's email address. This email contains details of the order, estimated delivery time, and payment information. Another real-world example is in the marketing industry. Companies use PHP to send promotional emails to their subscribers. These emails may contain special offers, new product launches, or event invitations. By scheduling and automating these email campaigns, businesses can effectively reach out to their target audience and drive engagement. In conclusion, email sending in PHP is a versatile tool used across various industries for communication, marketing, and customer engagement purposes. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.